All right, this is at Sandpiper Beacon, and we got another glass Mowrey here. Not sure if it's working. I guess we'll find that out in a minute here. Yes, it is. What? Oh, this is weird. It has a glass cap shape, but it's not glass. Weird. Oh, and it's got these weird Vandalik buttons. Huh. I wonder if this used to be scenic and then they covered it up. Actually, kind of looks like they did. Wait. Yeah, look. Pardon me. Oh, it's got a little bitty indicator on the outside. I guess, for whatever reason, this one's not scenic. And yet again, it doesn't do the down chime. That is, why do Mowreys not chime for down? These have the same contacts to them. Looks like it used to be GAL, but they just replaced the buttons because it's a GAL key switch. Interesting. This property has an interesting array of elevators, that's for sure. Anyway, that will be all for elevator 3.